Right, let's begin with breaking updates now coming in. Like we said, the opposition protest continues. The protest at Jantar Mantar may have been called off, but the opposition MPs are continuing their protest. And in just a few moments from now, we're going to see the opposition MPs gathering at the Makar Dwar. This protest is against the police action on the protesters on the 20th of July. So the opposition MPs now say that there should be accountability on the police excesses on the protesters. My colleague Sabir Sachi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sabir Sachi, over the last 1 week, we've seen the opposition MPs protesting at Makar Dwar. And today, one would imagine after the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan and after the protests at Jantar Mantar have been called off, that there will be discussions. But yet again, the day seemed to be beginning with protests. What are the details? Okay, all right. We'll try and reconnect that line. Nikhil Jain, opposition MPs protesting again at Makar Dwar. It comes back to that question. You said it was about students. You said it was about accountability. Then why are we seeing protests again? Okay, like we mentioned, there should be discussions. But is it again going to be disruption in the parliament? This way, we are never going to see the parliament function, and ultimately it's the students who will suffer.
It was about the students, it was about accountability, it was about need, it was about Dharmendra Pradhan till the government decided to brutalize the students on the 20th. I really don't understand why are people why are people touting it as some sort of a new demand addition by the opposition, that the opposition is now wanting to talk about the police brutality as well. Well, the police brutality had not happened on the 19th of July. When the police brutality has happened, somebody has to hold the government to account. How dare the government think that they can tear gas our students, police officers can sexually assault girls, their goons can threaten people, abuse people. We've seen videos of all kinds, police officers without name tags. We have seen
police officers sexually assaulted.
So there are videos very clearly available.
This is a big charge, but more importantly, I know the video that you're talking about. One second. But my question is, the government's discussion with the protesters, no, the government's discussion with the protesters was after this protest. That time this demand was not there. But Nikhil Jain, that time this demand was not there. This reach out of the government with the protesters was after this protest. This demand was never added in the list. The CJP protesters went, met the government. They announced that we are calling off the protest.
CJP wants to call off their protest. Very well, they've called off their protest. The CJP had also talked. Hold on, Mr. Malik, one more thing. One more thing. The agreement with the CJP was that FIRs would be taken back. So see, this is the attitude of the BJP. This is the attitude of the BJP. On one hand, you have an MP. On one hand, you have an MP implicating that there is some sort of terror funding to these protesters. On the other hand, you have a leader who is calling the opposition a parasite. While just 48 hours ago, this government was on its knees.
But isn't it true? No, one second. Isn't it true at the beginning of the parliament? No, one second. At the beginning of the parliament, wasn't the demand of the opposition, firstly for the Congress party as it came into the parliament, the demand was on Ram Mandir. Okay, there was a momentum for the student protest. The party demanded a discussion on the NEET paper leaks. The government said we are ready for a debate. Then the demand was at the beginning of the parliament. Then the government said that we are ready for a debate. Then Congress party or the opposition leader said we want the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. The student protest also wanted the same. Dharmendra Pradhan has resigned. Is it going to be new demands from the opposition each time and no discussions in the parliament? So wasn't this demand there on the day? Because we didn't hear from Rahul Gandhi. Yes, please.
Listen, Nikhil, just calm down and listen. It is a matter of investigation why police did do what it did, because your gundas, Samajwadi's gunda, I am going to give you proof. Chandrasekhar Azad, he categorically climbed up a barricade and said, I will be sending 10,000 of my people to do it. Then, Aam Aadmi Party.
Okay.
He claimed that he sent
But that is the question on whether the demands of the opposition are increasing.